this is Judy at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to walk you through how we sew down patches on vests or on anything. What we have here is an American flag. We're going to put it right about here on this vest. And so what I've done is I created a jig so I can put that where I want it, and I just poke a hole in the middle, and that makes a little dot. You can barely see it, but it's there. So when I load my garment, I'm just going to put the needle down and align it with that dot, which I have already done. And then as we trace, we can see that it's running right along that edge and it's straight. So I know that I'm hoop straight, and it's running at the same distance from the silver edge to the orange edge. So I know that I have a good placement. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew just a placement stitch. Now this is going to be very light gray that matches the silver. You can see it's running right along that edge. And it's running right along the top edge, so I'm centered. Okay, you can see, hopefully you can see that the stitching runs right along the edge, so I know that I'm centered well. If I wasn't and I needed to adjust this by a few ticks, I can at this point move the pantograph and move it up or down a little bit, left or right, just a little bit, to fix my positioning if need be. Now, it's ready to switch to another color to do the outline of the flag. So I need to place my flag down, and it's just sticky on the back, so I'm going to place it down. So what I'm going to do on the automat is I'm going to hit this shortcut called change. And when I hit change, the garment is going to pop forward so that I can place my flag more easily. Now my flag is placed, I can move the pantograph back where it belongs just by hitting start. I have a signal on my automat that says D14, which means push start. And if I push start again, it will go ahead and finish sewing down that flag. Thanks for watching.